Hello, everyone. How is everybody doing today? Welcome to the second day of the Olymp Trade Inspiration Challenge. My name is Angie. I am a financial analyst with Olymp Trade. Today, we are going to continue trading, but today we are not going to be using any indicators. So, we are going to speak about price action and naked trading using no indicators, pure support and resistance. We are going to look at the chart in just a moment, as long as our platform should be coming up online very shortly. We are experiencing some slight technical difficulties, but no worries, we'll be online shortly. For the topic for today, I am planning to look at some charts with you. We're going to look at a few candlestick patterns, some price formations, and discuss price action. So we're going to trade using support and resistance, my friends. A very interesting topic, I think. Before we begin, let's go ahead and check the sound in the picture to make sure that you can hear me and that you can see me well. In chat, you can let me know, for example, what country you're joining me from today. Also, please let me know, are you already participating in the challenge? Or you can just say hello just so that I know that you can hear me and that you can see me well. In the meantime, my friends, yes, I do see you in chat. Yes, we are experiencing some slight technical difficulties, but just give it a second and everything will be fine. In the meantime, my friends, I would like to go ahead and ask you to make sure that you are subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up, wish Olymp Trade a happy birthday, and ring the bell so that you don't miss out on anything new, my friends. Alrighty, let me check in chat, see how everybody's doing. Hi, Angie from Bharathi. Hello to you as well. Lost in Music and Movies. What a very interesting nickname for your YouTube. Is from India. Hello, hello. Bhuvnesh Khatri is from India. Hello as well. Yes, we are in maintenance right now and should be everything should be fixed shortly. But no worries, I have some activities for you. I have something to keep you busy. Blessmade risk-free trades gifts. Yes, we'll have a giveaway. We have 6 prizes for 6 risk-free trades. Let's see. I have Ahmed El Taher from Egypt. Hello, hello. Let's see here. Yes, good energy. Eslam Hassan is also from Egypt, and we have Linus Enafola is from Nigeria. I welcome all of you. Thank you so much for joining today. I love to see you guys in chat. Alrighty, so this is what we're going to do. What we're going to do is we're going to start with our prizes. We're going to start with some games. I know you like that. One thing that I would like to mention, my friends, is that this is the homepage of our YouTube channel. Please make sure that you check out the different videos and playlists and stuff like that, and also keep track of our community. We post a lot of interesting stuff there. What we'll start with today, since we're waiting for our platform to come back up, is yesterday we had our first stream. Yesterday we had the start of the Inspiration Challenge that lasts 2 weeks. So this week, starting from yesterday, Monday, until this Sunday, we are trading, and your goal, your target is to get the maximum amount of profit. This week trading on FTT, and next week trading on Forex. In order to participate, don't forget that you have to make a deposit with any amount. The promo code is happy, and then the number 1. It adds plus 10% to your deposit, and it works from yesterday until the Sunday, September the 27th. So next Monday, September the 28th. Stay tuned, and we will provide you with another special promo code for our Forex trading week. And so yesterday we started our challenge, and we also played a little game. So basically this is just the stream from yesterday. I asked you to leave comments below the video and include your account ID number. Send me your feedback, and right now we are going to choose 3 random winners from these comments and give out 3 risk-free trades. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this link right here, And we are going to use this website. It is called Raffle Dash. It's just a like a YouTube giveaway website. I'm just gonna copy the URL of my stream here. And we are going to choose our winners for risk-free trades. So the first person that won is Jacob Fry. I imagine this is probably in a different language. I do not know which one. What we're going to do is let's go ahead and look for our winner in our comments. Just a second here. Sort by newest first. Let's take a look here. Let's take a look here for our first winner. Our first winner. Where is our first one? Jacob Fry. Jacob Fry, yes, we have right here. Alrighty, Jacob, if you are here with us right now, if you are in chat, please let me know. I will be looking for you. What I'm looking for is for your account ID number. So Jacob Fry is our first winner. Please kindly send me your ID number in chat, or even better, please kindly send your ID number here in the comments so that I can add the risk-free trade for you. My friends, I do see you in chat. I do just give it a second. Right now we're doing a raffle, giving out some prizes, and everything is going to be great. So our first winner is Jacob Fry. Let me go ahead and write that down so I can monitor this. And let's go ahead and choose another winner, my friends. Let's start again. Pick a random winner. The next winner is Hilal Mantu. Mr. Hilal Mantu, are you in chat with us today? Let me go ahead and look for our next winner. So our next winner is right here. Unfortunately, Mr. Hilal Mantu did not leave the account ID number either. So if you are here with us today, please kindly let me know in chat so we can congratulate you. Also get your account ID number. Otherwise, please also leave a comment below your comment below yesterday's video so that we can assign you the risk-free trade. Alrighty, my friends, let's go ahead and choose our... Okay, I see somebody threw a account ID, but that's not who I'm looking for. No problem. Alrighty, so I have one more risk-free trade from our random comments winners. Let's go ahead and look for our last winner. Alrighty, Satinder Kang from India with ID number 53614,918 is our winner. Our third winner, and for our previous two winners, from Hilal Mantu and Jacob Fry, we are waiting for your ID numbers. Please send them in the below your comment. And Satinder Kong also big congratulations to all of you. Of course, please continue to leave your comments below our videos, below this video as well. I love to hear your feedback. I love to read your comments to see how you're doing. Anything and everything, please share in the comments below. Okay, let me just check how everything is doing and see if there's an update. Okay, not quite yet. Not quite yet. Okay, so I'm gonna just change the stream guide a little bit. What we're going to do is we're gonna go ahead and we're going to play our second game right now. And we are going to give out 3 more risk-free trades, my friends, okay? Let me just check in chat how everybody's doing. Thank you so much for your patience. We have 158 people watching right now. I greatly appreciate your support. I greatly appreciate you staying and watching. Alrighty, so who is ready to play a game? Who is ready to play a game? Alrighty, let me go ahead and start it right now. So basically, this game is going to have 3 questions. For the first 2 questions, my colleague Yaroslav is in chat with me and he will help me. We're going to pull the first person that answers correctly in chat, and that person will win a risk-free trade. And you do have to answer correctly. There's one correct answer for each question. Now, the third question is going to be like a little bit of a surprise, and you don't have to be the first one to answer correctly in chat. But let's go ahead and start with the first two questions. Alrighty, let me just see right here so I can see the chat and I can see what's going on with you as well. Just a brief second here so everything pulls up. Alrighty, fantastic. Okay, if you are ready, we are going to start with the first question. Now, my friends, again, pay attention because the first person that answers correctly in chat is going to be the winner of the risk-free trade. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go. The first question is, on FTT, that's fixed time trading, the percentage of profit next to each asset is called the beep beep beep. So it's a combination. The answer is a combination of three words. Once again, on FTT, that's fixed time trading, the percentage of profit next to each asset is called the Okay, ready. Let's see who is going to give us the correct answer. So once again, these questions are going to be more aligned with fixed time trading. They're going to be about fixed time trading. So let's see here who has. Oh, I do see an answer, but let's just get a confirmation from my colleague Yaroslav in chat. Once you see that you are the winner, don't forget to send your account ID number in chat. Okay, just a brief second here. Let's just wait for a confirmation. Yeah, I see a lot of interesting answers. Some people are actually placing a number. Some people are saying bearish. But yes, I do see the correct answer in chat. The correct answer is indeed rate of return. The rate of return, my friends. Yes, indeed. Kartik Vorunganti. Congratulations. Fantastic. You were the first one to reply. Let's go ahead and send your account ID number in chat. And you are the first winner of the quiz today for the risk-free trade. Alrighty, my friends, if you are ready, we're going to go ahead and continue to our second question. So yes, rate of return, ROR. The next question is, which two ways can we set up the expiration time for FTT trades? So remember that whenever we are setting up our trade, which is on the right-hand side of the platform on your computer, we have to set the trade amount, and also we have to set the trade expiration time, so the trade duration. There's two possible ways that you can set the expiration time. What are they? Okay, I see somebody answered the first one, but this is actually this and this. It's oh, I see a correct answer in chat. Let's get a confirmation. Let's get a confirmation from Yaroslav. Okay, I do see fantastic. Wow, again, a lot of interesting questions. Now, I do see already the correct answer in chat. The correct answer is indeed clock and timer. Basically, whenever you are setting up your trade for FTT for fixed time trading, what we have to do is we have to predict if the price is going to be either higher or lower than the current price after a certain period of time. So the certain period of time is called the expiration time or the trade duration. And we can set for the trade to close after a certain period of time, which is by the timer. So let's say I want to close it I'm working on the 5-minute time frame. I want to close the trade at times 2 or times 3. So in 10 minutes or in 15 minutes. But you can also set it by the clock. I can't remember which one is which, but by the clock, I believe is the one where you actually set it to close at a specific time. So right now it's 1 p.m. I want it to close at 4:30 p.m. So I can set 4:30 p.m. and that's going to be the expiration time. So that is the two different options that we have for setting the expiration time on FTT trades. Okay, let me just check for an update. Let me check for an update. No, we're not working yet, but not a problem. We have one more question, one more quiz question. Okay, okay. We're actually almost finished with the quiz. Okay, so okay, one more question for our quiz today. What we'll do is now the next question. Everybody has a chance to win. You don't have to answer the first one correctly. Say hello to Nikolai.
Hi, my friends. Yes, we have technical problems with the platform, but still, well, actually, I'll try to help with the short presentation too.
Okay, give me just 2 seconds here. We're gonna launch this another game. Okay, so the game is launched, and everybody that answers correctly in chat is going to be added to this screen right here. And at the end, we're going to choose one random winner. Okay, so the last question is, if you are trading an asset on FTT with a rate of return, remember from the first question, so with a rate of return of 82%, your trade amount is $200. What would be the profit of this trade? Now, my friends, whenever you write the answer in chat, do not put a dollar sign. Just put the number. Do not put a dollar sign. Only put the number. Okay, I do see somebody's already. Yes, you are answering correctly in chat. Leanne, please,
yes, I see.
Please write 164, but don't write the dollar sign. Only put the correct answer. Let's see.
Oh, we are going to choose like randomly.
Yes, so we're gonna for the last question. We're gonna choose randomly.
That's great.
Okay. Okay, a lot of answers correct. Yes, yes, yes. Keep on going. Keep on going. Don't put the dollar sign. Don't put the dollar sign. Only the number. Look at you guys are mathematicians. Very, very quick thinking. Very, very quick adding and stuff, multiplying, dividing. Fantastic. We have 57. I'm not going to wait for a very long time. Just give it just a few more seconds to give everybody a chance to get added here. Okay, 72. How many people do we have watching right now? 197, 204. Look at you guys.
Yes, a lot of.
Fantastic, fantastic. Okay, 81. Let's just give it like 2 more seconds. I see a lot of people are getting added. Get it added. Clock and timer. I'm late. Okay, 87. Okay, we have a stable 87, 89. Okay, on a count of countdown from 6, as Olymp Trade is 6 years old, we're gonna go ahead and choose our winner. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So let's play, my friends.
All right, let's see.
Let's choose the final winner for today's game. Whom will it be?
Let's see. And our winner is
Prathamesh
Savardekar.
Yeah, so please leave your ID number in the chat so that we will be able to give you the prize. Yes, so just don't forget, my friends. So the game is over.
Congratulations, and don't forget to send your account ID.
ID number, please. ID number, congratulations.
Okay.
So was it the last game, yes?
Yes, that was actually it. We gave out 6 risk-free trades for today.
I got it.
Just check one more time, maybe. No.
No, nothing. So let's open the full screen first, yes, Angie? And let me ask you to open the chart too, after you switch into the full screen.
Just 2 seconds.
Do you have another presentation or something? No?
No.
Okay, so let's open the full screen then. Well, I mean, so that
I got you. I'm sorry.
Great. And let's open the chart to you. Okay, so I sent you the presentation so that you will be able to speak about Japanese candlesticks and non-indicators.
In
No
chat,
indicate. Yeah, in charts in our program, corporate program.
Mm-hmm. It's closed.
Well, open it.
Okay, just a quick second here.
So, my friends, while Angie is opening, well, we're terribly sorry for these possible inconveniences, yes, because the platform is not working, so that's why we are going to show you the presentation about Japanese candlesticks, and we'll speak a little bit more about non-indicators trading, okay? So, yep, so let us just give us just a couple of minutes and we'll continue. Okay, so just download it, please. Great. And close the program, please, now. Will it be here?
Let's try it. Japanese candlesticks.
That's it, my friend. So Japanese candlesticks, and so what? This one, yes. So, my friends, non-indicators trading, and of course, when we speak about non-indicators trading, we are speaking about Japanese candlesticks trading and using different patterns. Yes, well, today, while the platform is not working, so we are going to show you Japanese candlesticks trading and how you can use different patterns to trade. Okay. So if you have any questions, so you can leave your comments in the chat so that we will be able to, while you are commenting something, yes. So let's speak more. So, well, as for Japanese candlesticks, so briefly, so there are two types of Japanese candlesticks, well, as you know. So green ones and black one and red ones, or like white ones and black ones. Yes, and well, as for the parts of Japanese candlesticks, we have like so let's say 6 parts. Yes, so 6 parts. So the body and the shadows. Yes. So as for the shadows, so the upper shadow, so this is the highest high of Japanese candlesticks. The lower shadow, so this is the lowest low. Low sounds, Krishna is writing. So my friends, I'll try to speak up. So just check, please. Okay, that's great. Thank you very much. Also, well, as for the bodies, my friends, so if the body is green, yeah, so we have like open price. So this is the lower top, the lower what? So this is of this rectangle, yeah. So the lower parts of this rectangle, and the upper part. So this is the closing price, my friends. As for if the candlestick is red, then vice versa, yeah. So still we have upper shadow and lower shadow, and these are highest highs and lowest lows. And also we have the opening price, which is higher than the closing price, yeah. So we know that the price went down. Well, in this case, the candlestick will be red, or the candlestick will be black sometimes, yes. And my friends, we have different candlesticks patterns. Well, I'd like to show you some of them. Yeah, so we have like 2 parts of Japanese candlesticks patterns: reversal patterns and continuation patterns. Yes. Today we will just speak a little bit more about reversal patterns. Yes, because they're simpler. And it's much more easier to understand reversal patterns than to find continuation patterns, my friends. Well, look, what do we have? Like hammer or hanging man, engulfing pattern, yes, dark cloud cover, piercing pattern, different types of stars, and well, some type of other patterns. So let's say so. Okay, so let's look at some of them. But before these, I'd like to explain to you, well, like several rules which I'm using which I'm using during Japanese candlesticks analysis. Well, the first one is don't trust patterns. Yes, well, completely, because well, patterns doesn't really mean that the price will go to this or to that side. Always wait till the pattern is finished. Yes, so this is a really important rule, because some traders, so they're trying to trade even if they see that the pattern is not over yet, and actually it can lead to mistakes, yes, to losses. So my friends,
Don't
wait.
rush.
Yes, there is no need to rush. That's it. Never use patterns only to trade. Well, I mean that you have to confirm the candlesticks patterns by using another types of analysis. So you can use indicators, you can use like graphical patterns like double top, triple top, double bottom, and so on. Don't complicate patterns, my friends. Yeah, so and don't invent patterns, because well, some traders, so they're trying to well, look at the charts and they're trying to invent something, yes, and they think that there is a signal while there is not, and this is really bad. Okay, my friends. So well, as for reversal patterns, so these are the most popular reversal patterns which you can often meet on a chart. So the first one is a hammer or a hanging man. Yes. So this pattern, candlesticks can be green or red. Well, it does not matter. So they can appear at the top of the chart or at the bottom of the chart. Well, doesn't really mean. Well, it means that the price is going to reverse. Yeah. So actually, so if you see such thing, well, it means that the price will reverse. So I'd like to pay attention to the following thing. So here is our body, which is quite small. It's like a square or something. Yes. And the lower shadow, which is usually twice longer than the body.
And it's usually best to see these like at the end of a downtrend or at the end of an uptrend for.
Definitely, definitely. At the ends and at the ends of a strong downtrend or a strong uptrend. Yeah, so just be really careful here. Also, engulfing patterns. Yeah, so we have like bearish engulfing pattern, which is being formed at the top of the trend, yes, at the top of the bullish trends. So you see that there are two candlesticks here, yes. So the first one is green one or like white one, yes, and the second one is it should be red or black, and it should cover the previous candlestick by its body. Yeah, so this is really important. And if you see such pattern, it means that the price will reverse soon. And
I was planning to show you a few on live examples. I found a bullish engulfing and a bearish engulfing. By the way, on our platform, they are green and red, but right now there's a special theme for the Inspiration Challenge, and it's like pink and purple. So definitely check it out in your profile settings.
well, that's it. Well, and bullish engulfing pattern. Yeah, so at the bottom of the downtrend, so you can see this pattern. So again, so two candlesticks, but so here is the situation, like it's vice versa. Yeah, so the first candlestick is black one or red one, so the second one is green, and the green one covers the previous one with its body. Yes, well, as for shadows, don't pay attention to shadows, my friends, but still look at bodies only. Also, we have like some type of piercing pattern and dark cloud cover. Well, the dark cloud cover is this one, so this is bearish pattern. So usually it's been formed at the top of the chart, so it's like an engulfing pattern almost. But so here we have two candlesticks, and the second candlestick, which is red usually, yes, so it covers more than one half, usually 2/3 of the previous candlestick. Yes, and usually, well, it means that the price will reverse. And piercing pattern, so this is another one, so this is bullish one. And so here we have again, the first candlestick is red, the second one is green, and the green one, it has to cover the previous one by its body by more than one half, at least by 2/3 maybe. Yes, so my friends, so this is the most popular reversal patterns. Again, also we have like tower. Tower, so usually two types of them. Yeah, so tower bullish, tower bearish, and so here you see that usually, so these are different, like several small candlesticks at the very top or at the very bottom of the chart. And usually, my friends, so when the trend is changing, it is changing through the flat. Yes, so well, as you can see, well, as for tower patterns, so this is usually a flat on the market. Yeah, so when you see that there is some type of a flat, and after that, so you see a green or a red candlestick down, a strong candlestick with with big body, well, it means that the price is going to change. And you see, well, different types of stars. So what are stars, my friends? You see, well,
Is it
stars,
morning star or shooting star?
yes, a morning
Morning
star and a
star.
shooting star. Yeah, so well, actually, you see that usually, so this is a small candlestick with a small body, and sometimes, well, shadows are quite long. So such candlesticks, they're called stars. And if you see this pattern on the chart, well, it means that the price can change. Well, it doesn't really mean that the price will do it, but the probability is quite high. So let's say so. Okay. So that's it. So my friends, as for support and resistance lines, how can we use Japanese candlesticks more correctly? Yes, so you can use support and resistance lines to confirm that you see this or that pattern. So for example, bullish trend, well, the price is going up. Well, in this case, well, I can draw, for example, support line and resistance line. So if I see candlesticks patterns which have been formed on support and resistance lines, well, it means that the price, well, the probability is quite high that the price will bounce back from
Uh,
this or that level.
if I may, I'll probably go ahead and add here a little bit. So in one picture, we have an uptrend. Whenever we have an uptrend, we connect the bottoms, the lows of the price, and this way we form a level of support. So support is going to be at the bottom of the price. And whenever we have a downtrend, we would connect the highs, the peaks of the price movement, and this way we make a level of resistance. The thing is, if we have a downtrend, then it's more advisable to trade down from support. So whenever the price peaks to resistance, and trading down is more advisable, more favorable. Counter trend for like reversals and corrections, we can also use. Just remember that you want to, if you're new, for example, you may want to try to remember the trend is your friend. So
that's it. Yeah, well, usually it is like this. And well, as you can see, my friends, well, two quite typical situations on the market. Yeah, so bullish and bearish trends. And just while following these trends, so pay attention to these candlesticks patterns. And the third possible way, so how the price can move. So for example, it can move through in a flat. Yeah, so it can move sideways. Well, in this case, my friends, so we can use horizontal lines as support and resistance lines. So the price is bouncing back all the time from one level to another, and like a ball, for example. Yeah, so when you are throwing the ball, so it is bouncing back from the floor and then from the ceiling. So that's it for the price. And you can see that sometimes on support and resistance lines, so you can find different candlesticks patterns, and well, and it means that the price, with high probability, the price will return back. So my friends, will pay attention to this. So for example, so here are some market examples. Yes, so you see, for example, well, the price was getting down for a very long time. Yes, and here you see, well, the pattern which has been called hammer, yes, and the price returns back, bounce back, yes, and starts rising. And also, so here you see, well, dark cloud cover pattern. Yeah, so the price is forming some type of two candlesticks, and the red one is covering the green one by the two-thirds, and well, or for example here, look, so here you see, well, some type of piercing patterns. Yes, well, again, so we have a downtrend and, well, piercing pattern. So this is bullish pattern. Yes, and you see that there are two candlesticks, and the green one covers the previous red one by two-thirds, yes, by its body, and so on, my friends. So, well, as you can see, well, again, so let's return back to this slide with different patterns. Well, as you can see, my friends, so you can use different candlesticks patterns to trade, and this is no indicators trading. Yeah, so we are not using anything, we are not using any moving averages or like any oscillators to trade. So here we are just using different the charts and different combinations of the candlesticks. Well, we are ready to answer questions, I guess. Yes,
Mhm.
and actually we are ready to finish because it's almost time, and the platform unfortunately still doesn't work. So
Ooh, how to identify a false breakout. I wanted to show you, my friends, so much today, and I'm sure I'll still have a chance, and I will show you this at some point in time. We'll have a stream maybe on price action. The thing is, like, for a false breakout, a lot of times, if the I would say, let's see if you agree with me,
mhm.
if the price is approaching the trend line or a level of support or resistance in a strong momentum, like for example, it's reaching up to resistance and we have three huge big bodied bullish candles and it pierces the trend line, for example, that may possibly be a false breakout. You'll see a big rapid move through the trend line, and right away or sooner after the price will come back. Versus like if the price gradually comes to the trend line, it may try to break it in a different way. Also, with the false breakout, to how to determine that the breakout is not false is that the price will close beyond the trend line, then come back to retest it. For example, if we broke resistance, the price will come back to retest it as support and then and then continue moving in the direction of the new trend.
That's it. So, well, the question was uh, tell us about how to use horizontal lines. Well, cool, Sahib. How to use horizontal lines. So, you are looking, well, at first, so you are looking at the chart. So, it can be Japanese candlesticks or a linear chart. Well, it doesn't really matter. But what you are going to do, so you are trying to connect, to link tops and to link bottoms. Yeah, so you are using trend lines or horizontal lines, and you are linking tops and bottoms of prices of the price. Sorry, and well, in this case, so you will get usually two lines, which can be considered as support and resistance lines. Yeah, so that is it. So usually, well, if you see the bullish trend, well, start drawing support line first. If you see the bearish with the resistance line, but actually, well, as for the flat, so you can use both of them, yeah, support and resistance lines. Okay, my friends. So what do we have?
For the Olymp Trade Telegram channel, just you can search Olymp Trade Global and you will find a Telegram channel. If we have
Mhm.
any new channels, we'll let you know, of course.
That's it. What else do we have?
What is the best time and day for trading? For trading according to Indian time. See, there's a lot of we have different videos. Please watch our master classes, like I mentioned in the beginning of our stream. We have a lot of. Oh, by the way, if I may, for just one second here,
Okay.
what one of the things that I wanted to show you today, I'll go ahead and send a link to the chat. This is another stream that we had on different candlestick patterns. Also, in that playlist, it's called the master classes. We have a lot of different videos, and some of them are dedicated to, for example, different time trading sessions, they are called. So, you know,
Mhm.
the market opens in Australia, in Asia, and then we have the European session. And then the American session. So you have to, depending on what asset and you are trading.
Okay, so the best trading strategies, and unfortunately, there is no such thing as the best strategy. Yeah, so it's up to you to decide what strategy to use. Yes, well, actually, some of them work better. For example, during one trading session or with one assets. With the other assets, they can work worse. Yes, and vice versa. Yeah, so that's why the best trading strategy is your trading strategy. Yeah, so the strategy which you are using and which gives you the more positive, profitable signals. Yeah, so let's say so. Okay, well, please, we need explains for the round numbers. Abu Java. Yeah, well, as for the round numbers, my friends, usually, well, levels usually so they are being set around round numbers. Why so? Because, well, it's in trading psychology, it's in human psychology to, so let's say, so to use round numbers only. Yes, so that's why. So if you see, for example, that the price is rising and, well, it's near like $100, yes, and just a little bit below, actually, so there is a very high probability that the resistance line can be around $100. Yeah, so
Mhm.
just like this. I'm using Bollinger Bands currently. Well, that's really good, so it's a good indicator. Why not? um, Good. What else do we have?
What about a combination of both indicators and support and
Well,
resistance? Yes, it's a different approach to trading. Sometimes you can,
well,
price action trade with no indicators. If you like indicators, then you can use indicators. Just understand that there are so many different options for you guys to choose from. You just have to find the right approach for yourself.
well, in my opinion, so this is one of the best ways to trade. Well, by combining support and resistance lines with different indicators. So why not? Best time to trade for trading, please. Well, Angie has just sent you the link with different trading sessions, so you can follow the link and check. Price breaking trend. So how to identify? Well, Angie has already explained, I guess. Yes, with the price breakthrough. Okay, so what do we have? How to use parabolic SAR? Well, as for parabolic SAR, well, today we are not speaking about indicators. Yeah, so that's why, well, I guess next time, Angie, so
Next
you will
time.
be able to show and to explain parabolic SAR, so how it works. Well, tell us about simple moving average. Yeah, so 100 and 200, please. Well, as for simple moving average, my friends, yes, so Steven, you're absolutely right. Well, these periods, I mean 100 and 200, so they are one of the best periods for trading, yes? I mean that 200 period, so it's showing the global trend. And usually it's a really good support, dynamic support, or a really good dynamic resistance line. Yeah, so if the price is approaching this moving average with the period 200, well, be ready that the price can reverse. Well, how to trade 1 minute dragon trade? So what is a dragon trade? I don't know. Well, any suggestions? So I'm not trading on 1 minute time frames. Well, I guess you can use the same approach as I was just speaking about. How to identify the market? So I don't understand the questions for
For
as
support and
support
resistance.
and resistance. How to identify? What do you mean by
Not very
identifying?
clear, but basically you can identify support and resistance on any asset on any time
That's
frame
it.
at any time.
Well, Olymp platform now working. Well, that's really good. So let's have a look. Yes, my friends. Well, finally, by the end of the stream, the Olymp platform is working.
Make sure that you are subscribed. Don't forget, my friends. Of course, give this video a thumbs up. Please show us your support. And of course, ring the bell so that you don't miss out on any important and new notifications. My friends, thank you once again for joining, and we will see you guys on Thursday.
That's it, my friends. Bye bye.
Bye bye.